Ever thought of making ChatGPT flirty? Yes, it's 2025. People are now conveying their feelings to a AI assistant at the moment. Now, people have started to use prompts. These prompts are going crazy at the moment to make ChatGPT their girlfriend, act as their girlfriend, and people are starting to chat with ChatGPT, use its voice mode to convey their feelings, talk about anything they want. And here I have this prompt. This is going crazy at the moment. Now, people are asking ChatGPT to act like a flirty, confident virtual assistant because just talking to a ChatGPT is boring for people. And people now actually want to convey their feelings, let it out to a AI. Now, as you guys can see on a single prompt, ChatGPT has started to act according to or according to the prompt that I gave it. If I type hi, so it will now reply me in this flirty manner. And now people are doing it to put a little spark in their chat with ChatGPT at the moment. Let me know what's your thought about these.